evening. I am Dr. Puneet Kaur Kohli. My warmest greetings to all. As a part of my next social media challenge, I am sharing my journey and achievements with you all so as to nominate myself for winning the Glamorous Achiever subtitle. From being a little girl back then, dreaming to become a pilot or pursuing a technical field to bring where I am right now. I am grateful to the Almighty for blessing me with this life, which has been nothing less than adventurous journey with so many learnings and explorations. They say life is what you make it, but making and creating that life has never been as easy process, especially for a married woman with soaring ambitions in a male-dominant industry. My father and my husband have always been my infinite source of inspiration and my son as my pillar of strength. This helped me in accomplishing things to the best of my ability, which resulted in an amazing work ethic throughout these 25 years of my corporate journey, which created such a huge impact and earned me some beautiful experiences, recognitions, and accolades in the industry. Globally, I have represented many respected organizations in 5-6 continents such as Bajaj Capital, Motricity, Bharti Airtel, and worked internationally in countries including the US, UK, Canada, Dubai, and across APAC. I love my role as a leading security evangelist with rich, versatile experience in information security, data privacy, and risk management. I received the Jewels of Punjab Award from former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, which has a global recognition for 75 Punjabis across 20 countries. I was honoured with the Global Excellence Award by the House of Commons, UK, and personally visited the Buckingham Palace to receive this honour from Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. I feel honoured to have been featured and recognised in the following magazines. Featured in the prestigious Forbes magazine under the Fortune 50 category in the Asia Pacific region for my corporate social responsibility efforts to make 100,000 women and children literate. Business Tycoons magazine in September 2020, publication by Global India Business Forum. A fantastic interview published by the Pink Thread, also in Digital First magazine as the top 10 digital leaders in India for advocating a well-digitized finance industry. Winning the title of Woman of Worth, facilitated by World Women Leadership Congress and Awards for the year 2021 in the category of Global Wow Achievers amongst 50 ladies recognized globally. Bestowed with Top 10 Women Tech Leaders India Awards 21 by Reva Academy for Corporate Excellence for having extensive knowledge on developing and implementing strategic plans and end-user services by addressing company needs and growth. As Brian Tracy rightly said, make your life a masterpiece, imagine no limitation on what you can be, have or do. And this is how I conclude my journey till date. Thank you, TIGP.